Maybe I'm wearing too much pink, but yeah, who cares? I love pink. How much pink is too much pink? I never understand that. Etude House launched a month ago their fixing tint. End up loving this formula. It's really glossy, but इतने में इससे प्यार करती another lip tints. They are over glow lip tint and it's like my K drama makeup moment because everyone using extra glossy lip tint. Super interested in this type of a tint because I see right, left or center Pinterest filled with this over glowy lip tints and I was like, let's try them out. And I already made a video, if you guys know that, but I don't know how, but yeah, my videos got delayed. So let's do another review and I hope इस बार ये video delete ना हो. So today we are talking about Etude House over glow tint. I have a 3 shade with me, 01, 04 and 06, but unfortunately I could not find my 01 shade. Maybe वो मेरे किसी बैग में है, so I'm so sorry for that, but मैं उसका swatch आपको ज़रूर दे दूँगी कि वो कैसी दिखती है. Now let's talk about inner packaging. Firstly, this packaging is like heart shaped package and you see that I never see something that attractive. Like, isn't it? It's so freaking beautiful. Like, beautiful means beautiful, like majestic beautiful. New launch by Etude House and name as Etude House over glowing fixing tint. It's in a 6 shade like you can see here, and all shades are suitable for medium skin tone because it's starting to the 1 shade and starting to the 6 shade, and they have every single shade in this, like every single undertone shade in this. If you want red, go for a 3 shade. If you want purplish, go for a 6 shade. If you want peach, go for a 1 shade, and if you want brown, go for a 4 shade. Like this is for 950 rupees and it comes with the 3 ml of a product. And let's swatch shade number 4. So doe foot applicator दिखता है कुछ इस तरीके का. It's a flat doe foot applicator and you can see here like how beautiful it is. It's a 04 shade. It's peach undertone, like a warm autumn brown shade. Like you can see that I have not applied anything. I have hyperpigmentation and it cover my hyperpigmentation very well, and it's just like my K-drama moment. Like literally I see celebrities applying these type of glosses, but it's really hard to find in India and in this price. Remarkable how beautiful it is, like how beautiful it is. So this is the shade number 4. These are hydrating jelly kind of a formula. They are not like your typical lip tints which comes in a like a water form. No, this is a jelly form. It smells really good, like a very, it's not chemically, it's very flowery, very soothing vanilla kind of fragrance. And like you can see that it hydrate my lips and blur my lip lines because it plumps my lips at the same time and it provide you decent hydration. I have used this multiple times in my like डेली मेकअप रूटीन एंड स्टार्टिंग में अप्लाई करा एंड शाम तक ये काफ़ी अच्छे से लिप्स को हाइड्रेट रखता है. एंड शेड 4 इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल ब्राउन पीच ऑटम शेड एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ शेड लुक्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल एंड इंडियन स्किन टोन. एंड मुझे लगता है इसकी पूरी रेंज ही एक इंडियन मीडियम डीप स्किन टोन को कंसीडर करके बनाई गई है, विच इज़ रियली गुड. एंड दिस इज़ इन द कोलैबोरेशन विद अ यूट्यूबर कोल्ड यू. And I don't know why YouTube is not promoting her video. Instead of her video you can see multiple videos. She created an amazing formula, like you can see that, like see my lips, they looking glass, like glass. So आप इसका टिंट देख सकते हो, काफ़ी अच्छा डार्क डीप टिंट है जो लिप्स पे रह जाता है. और उसके बाद में ना आपके लिप्स लाइक अगर आप कुछ खा भी लेते हो लाइक ऑयली फूड या फिर आप फूड कंज्यूम करते हो, जो कि हम करते ही हैं, तो उसके बाद में ना आपके लिप्स एकदम बेयर नहीं रह जाते. बहुत अच्छा टिंट रहता है. सो मैं आपको अपने आधे लिप्स पे दिखा देती हूँ. सी दैट how beautiful my lips looking. They are so plump, so juicy, so hydrated एंड इट्स जस्ट सो अमेजिंग टू सी कि ये एक अच्छा लाइट लिपस्टिक एंड टिंट दोनों की तरह वर्क कर सकता है. एंड दिस टिंट इज़ रियली लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. लाइक आपको रिमूव करने के लिए ना ऑयल क्लेंजर से रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मैं ऑलरेडी रिव्यू कर चुकी हूँ, तो आई नो दैट. गाइस, शेड नंबर 6. सो लेट मी टेल यू, इफ़ यू हर्ड अबाउट द ट्रेंड बनी टंग परफेक्ट टिंट, this is it. This is it. Though comes with the same doe foot applicator. It's looking little purplish like bubblegum shade, but it's not. It's very beautiful mauve pink tone. And yeah, when you applied it, it's looking little like neutral. This is a shade I wanted to try for such a long time. I want my perfect bunny tongue tint, and this is it. Number 6. See that how beautiful it is.
If you apply this in a double layer,
Then you see that it's like kind of a neutral shade, but when you apply in a single layer like I applied it, it comes like a warm shade. Shade is described as cool summer muted pink, and like you can see that it's quite pink, but जैसे ये फॉर्मूला बिल्ड होता है, यू सी दैट जेली फिनिश एंड इट्स लाइक beautiful bunny tongue pink, which I really love. I love the finish they provide you when they settle down. Like you don't see the lines, they are just blurring out. And as an Indian, I claim that we love pink. Like, you know that we are obsessed with the pink lipstick or pink tint way before than Korea. Yes, we are obsessed with the perfect pink lips. Like everything about perfection, we loved it. Like with the fair skin, black eyes, long hair, I don't know, we have some type of a disgrace with accepting things in a natural way. I don't know that, but yeah, as an Indian, I claim that we love pink, and this is your shade if you love pink, and you can see that it's like your perfect bunny tongue pink lips. What I love most about this tint, that it does what it claims. It's very over glowing lip tint, which I never see. Like, I have not seen this type of lip tint formula. You see that shade? Wow, you see how potent tint they are providing you. The difference in a glowing fixing tint and over glowing tint is packaging. Firstly, packaging is a square packaging, and comes with a tilt doe foot applicator, which is very precise. And this is the shade 04, very beautiful. This is the shade number 4, chilling red. Now you can see that it's a very पिंक शेड. तो डिफरेंस ये है कि फर्स्टली ये इतना ग्लो नहीं प्रोवाइड करता, सेम टाइम इसका जो टिंट है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है. लाइक ये आपको बिल्कुल एक लिपस्टिक काइंड ऑफ अ टिंट प्रोवाइड करता है. इसके अंदर जो शेड है वो एज़ कम्पेरिजन ओवर ग्लोइंग टिंट के से अगर कंपेयर करें तो इतनी ज़्यादा मीडियम और डीप स्किन को जाती नहीं है. बट ऑल्दो इसके अंदर एक दो शेड है जो काफ़ी अच्छी है. अगर मैं शेड के अकॉर्डिंग बात करूँ तो आई ऑलवेज चूज़ ओवर ग्लोइंग टिंट. बट अगर टिंट के अकॉर्डिंग बात करूँ, अगर आपको एक शेड पसंद आ जाती है पर्टिकुलरली और तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा एकदम टिंट चाहिए, लाइक लिपस्टिक काइंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग टिंट, देन दिस इज़ द बेस्ट. सो द फॉर्मूला इज़ नॉट द सिमिलर, दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला एंड डिफरेंट ऑडियंस को भी कैटर करता है वो. लाइक आई लव ओवर ग्लोइंग lips, like very blur mirror kind of a glass type of a lips. So मैं over glow tint की तरफ ही जाऊंगी. But if you are someone जिसे चाहिए एक long lasting tint, then go for this one. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys like.
don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below तुम्हें कौन सा tint अच्छा लगा.